Hey, what's up everybody? Dan here with Total Shape. And if you're thinking of trying out Peter MD's online services in order to get TRT therapy, watch this video from beginning to end because I tried out their entire service for a while and I quit for a reason. However, I'm not just gonna bash them in this video. I'm gonna basically recommend to you the online TRT clinic that actually did kick butt, that I actually did get great service from, and that I actually had an incredible experience and great results from. They're called Fountain TRT. I'm leaving a link down below. It's gonna get you a really good deal if you wanna try them out. I'll talk about Fountain TRT in a second. Let me explain first and foremost what was wrong with Peter MD for me. So Peter MD has 3 different packages. You know, their cost seems like it's a really good deal, right? But then when you actually sign up, let me tell you something. They made mistakes on my shipping. I was confused because I was supposed to get topical cream. They sent me injections. To swap out that shipping was a nightmare. They nickel and dime you for every single thing. There's so many add-ons. After my initial consultation, because they want to enroll you, right? They want their money. After the initial consultation, any follow-up questions I had, it was like trying to get in touch with the president of the United States. I couldn't get through to anybody. It was just a miserable experience. I ended up losing about a month's worth of their subscription, but I ended up fighting to get my money back for the second month because they screwed up so much. Like, I literally couldn't even start the testosterone replacement therapy that I wanted on a timetable that worked for me because of this shipping error. And at first they were like, well, just try the injection. I'm like, my man, I chose the topical cream for a reason. Now, I ended up getting referred to by a friend, this Fountain TRT clinic, right? Now, they were at first seemingly more expensive, but what it really is, it's no BS nickel and dime extra costs. Everything you get is for $199 a month. You're gonna get a deal with that link down below, but either way, beyond the deal, $199 per month, no hidden fees, no extra charges. You know what this other Peter MD place felt like? It felt like I was at McDonald's asking for a couple of extra packets of ketchup and they wanted to charge me. It was just insane. With the Fountain TRT, however, first of all, they're so full of integrity. They almost recommended I didn't even try their service until I tried some lifestyle changes first. Like, they really legitimately took the consultation I initially had really seriously, weren't just trying to make a buck, or trying to really look out for my needs. I ended up signing up with them anyway because I was like, yo, I've tried the lifestyle stuff. I'm ready for TRT. And I ended up getting the body cream and all that. And it worked incredibly well. My testosterone levels have been steadily increasing. I feel great. I'm almost at the cutting edge of 40. I don't want to say my exact age, but it's been a game changer since starting testosterone replacement therapy with Fountain TRT. Now look, these other services, I'm sure they're legit, but it's the value of your money and it's the customer service and it's the ability to have follow-up questions answered on demand that made me go with Fountain TRT and that are making me pretty much not recommend Peter MD, guys. So that's pretty much it. That's all I have to say in this video. Again, that link down below will get you a great deal on Fountain TRT. Now, the last thing I'll say about Fountain TRT is this. They really specialize in testosterone replacement therapy. A lot of these other online clinics, they're doing hormones, they're doing mental health, they're doing weight loss, they're doing depression. That's fine, that's great, but I always tell people, maybe this is just from my experience working in restaurants, if you go to a restaurant with a very wide variety of food and different, you know, there's Chinese, there's steak, there's this, most likely every dish is gonna be subpar, sub-average. But when you go to a steakhouse or a sushi restaurant or a seafood spot that focuses on just one kind of cuisine, you know you're getting the best there is out there, the best they have to offer, because they're specializing in one thing. They're not jungling a bunch of stuff, which is why I have a feeling I had my freaking shipping error, you know, messed up. And they gave me the wrong prescription in the first place. Anyway, you don't have that issue with Fountain TRT. All their shipping is it's discreet, it's quick, no extra charges for anything. And it was just a phenomenal experience. Again, that link down below will help you out, guys. See you in the next video.